What makes a man like Ray Dalio, the founder of the world's largest hedge fund, so successful? Could it be his unique set of principles? A question many of us ponder, but the answer may be closer than we think. Ray Dalio, a name synonymous with success in the finance world, is the mastermind behind Bridgewater Associates. Bridgewater, a titan of the hedge fund industry, stands tall as a testament to Dalio's innovative strategies and his unwavering commitment to his principles. Recently, a book by Rob Copeland unveiled a fascinating aspect of Bridgewater's inner workings. It seems that Dalio's principles aren't just personal mantras, they are ingrained into the very fabric of his firm. New hires at Bridgewater are given a 90-page printout of these principles, accompanied by daily videos relaying Dalio's teachings. But it doesn't end there. The firm administers an extensive principles test, probing employees on their understanding and alignment with these principles. The exam delves into a myriad of topics, from the definition of arrogance to the significance of truth. The performance of employees isn't gauged on their knowledge alone, but on how well their answers align with Dalio's views. A clear indication of the importance Dalio places on his principles in his business. These principles, it appears, aren't just words on a page. They are a living, breathing entity, shaping the culture within Bridgewater Associates. They guide the employees, influence decision-making, and ultimately drive the success of the firm. So what makes Ray Dalio so successful? While his financial acumen and strategic prowess are undeniable, his principles seem to be the secret ingredient. These principles, which guide both his personal and professional life, have become instrumental in shaping one of the most successful hedge funds in the world. It seems that Dalio's principles aren't just a guide for personal success, but a blueprint for the culture within Bridgewater Associates. Dalio's success isn't limited to his principles alone. He also pioneered the all-weather strategy, which has now become a lucrative target for copycats. Pioneered by the man himself, Ray Dalio, the all-weather strategy is a unique investment approach that has managed to provide stable returns regardless of economic conditions. It's all about achieving balance, countering the uncertainty of the market with a diversified portfolio. This strategy has not only propelled Bridgewater Associates to the forefront of the financial world, but it has also found a significant fan base, particularly in China. In the land of the dragon, the all-weather strategy has gained immense popularity. It's seen as a reliable method to navigate through the stormy seas of the market. And this has led to an interesting predicament. You see, success often breeds imitation, and in this case, Chinese firms have been creating their versions of the all-weather strategy. There's no denying that this imitation is the best form of flattery, but it also poses a challenge to Bridgewater's brand integrity. When your innovative strategy becomes a hot commodity for copycats, it's natural to worry about the potential damage to your brand, especially if these imitations underperform. Bridgewater Associates is well aware of this concern. To tackle this issue, they've taken a proactive step by registering several all-weather trademarks in China. This move is a clear message to all potential copycats, a warning sign of sorts. However, it's important to note that these registered trademarks do not guarantee absolute protection. They can prevent new products with similar names, but they don't necessarily ensure legal victories against existing products. Chinese asset managers can still create products with similar diversification strategies. Nevertheless, the all-weather strategy and its creator Ray Dalio stand strong amidst these challenges. The strategy continues to inspire, and Dalio's personal branding, along with his fascination with China, contributes to his popularity in the country. In fact, Bridgewater's assets under management in China exceeded $1.49 billion last year. Dalio's all-weather strategy is proof that success can often be replicated, but true innovation remains a valuable asset. Ray Dalio's fascination with China isn't just personal, it's a strategic business decision. This global powerhouse, with its booming economy and rapidly expanding middle class, has caught Dalio's eye, and he's made the strategic move to invest heavily in the Chinese market. Dalio's hedge fund, Bridgewater Associates, has seen substantial success in China. The firm's assets under management in the country soared to over $1.49 billion last year alone, This speaks volumes about the trust and confidence that Chinese investors have in Bridgewater and Dalio's leadership. Now you might be wondering, what's the secret sauce behind Dalio's success in China? Well, it's a blend of his unique investment strategy and his personal branding. Dalio's all-weather strategy, designed to provide stable returns regardless of economic conditions, has gained significant traction in China, but it's not just about the numbers. Dalio's personal branding plays a crucial role in his popularity in China. He's not just seen as a successful investor, but as a thought leader and mentor. His book, Principles, has been well received in China, and the principles he discusses in it resonate with a broad audience. But Dalio's journey in China hasn't been without challenges. His all-weather strategy has been copied by local hedge fund managers, creating a competitive landscape. But as they say, imitation is the sincerest form of flattery. And in a way, these copycats have helped to solidify Dalio's status as an innovator and leader in the investment world. In the face of competition, Dalio's strategic response has been to register several all-weather trademarks in China. While this doesn't guarantee legal victories against existing copycats, it's a smart move to protect Bridgewater's brand and the integrity of the all-weather strategy. Dalio's success in China is a testament to the power of personal branding and global vision. His ability to adapt to different markets, coupled with his unique investment strategy and compelling principles, continue to drive his success in this vast and diverse market. As we delve deeper into Dalio's success, it's clear that his principles play a pivotal role, not just in his personal life, but in his business ventures as well. Dalio's principles aren't just a guide for his personal decisions, they are the blueprint of Bridgewater's corporate culture and the backbone of its operations. Let's consider the example of Bridgewater's Principles Test. The test, a rather unique aspect of Bridgewater's onboarding process, probes new hires on their understanding of Dalio's principles. It includes questions about arrogance and whether truth should be prioritized at all costs. This is no ordinary company test. It's a clear indication of how deeply Dalio's principles are ingrained into Bridgewater's culture. The aim is to ensure that every employee's thinking aligns with Dalio's philosophy, creating a unified and principled workforce. Dalio's principles also guide his business strategies. The all-weather strategy, for instance, is a testament to the principle of adaptability. It's an investment approach designed to weather all economic conditions, embodying Dalio's belief in the importance of being prepared and adaptable. These principles have also played a crucial role in Bridgewater's expansion. Their entry into the Chinese market, for instance, wasn't just a business decision, it was a strategic move that aligned with Dalio's principles. Bridgewater's decision to register several all-weather trademarks in China to protect its brand is a clear embodiment of the principle of standing firm and protecting what you believe in. The impact of Dalio's principles is evident in Bridgewater's success. The hedge fund, founded in 1975, has grown into the world's largest, managing billions in assets. This success isn't coincidental. It's the result of a culture and strategy built on solid principles. Dalio's principles, it seems, are more than just words. They're the bedrock on which he's built his empire. As we draw to a close, the question we started with becomes even more pertinent. Are Ray Dalio's principles the secret to his success? Let's take a moment to reflect back on what we've learned. Dalio's principles, outlined in a hefty 90-page document, are more than just guidelines for his employees. They're a testament to his belief in a culture of radical transparency and truth-seeking. These principles, tested rigorously on his employees, are a reflection of his own views and form the bedrock on which the behemoth that is Bridgewater Associates stands. Then we have the all-weather strategy, a diversification approach designed to provide stable returns regardless of the economic weather. This strategy, so effective that it has spawned a series of copycats in China, is a testament to Dalio's innovative thinking and his ability to create robust financial models. Speaking of China, Dalio's fascination with the country and his personal branding have led to a significant presence there. Despite the challenges posed by local competitors, Bridgewater's assets under management in China have exceeded $1.49 billion. This success in China further solidifies Dalio's status as a global financial titan. However, the true measure of Dalio's success isn't just his principles, his strategies, or his global footprint. It's the integration of these elements that makes him stand out. His principles guide his actions, his all-weather strategy drives his financial success, and his global vision allows him to adapt and thrive in different markets. While it's clear that Dalio's principles play a significant role in his success, they're just one part of a complex equation. The real secret to success, it seems, lies in the unique blend of principles, strategy, and global vision that Dalio brings to the table.